Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it is September 1st, can you believe it? So it's a Colorful Life Designs new release, and I'm using the new Sweet Zoo stencil for my card today. I made this card already, and that's the inside. So we will make another one together, and the sentiment is from that cute stamp set from Honeybee Stamps. So this month is all about baby, and I love it because I didn't have any stencils for a baby, and I did have a couple friends who had a baby, and so this is awesome, this release, and this is such a cute stencil. I decided to use different inks and different small blending brushes to color, well, to ink blend all these animals, these zoo animals. It might have been easier if I used a little bit of a smaller brush, but it worked out okay. And the cardstock I'm using is from Lawn Fawn. I will have it listed in the details. I remember I got it on sale at scrapbook.com one time, but I think they don't sell it anymore, but I think Lawn Fawn still has it on their website. And it's like a sparkly cardstock, and I think it's like 110 or 120 pounds, so it's a good weight. So I'm just using this orange here to try and do a lion, and I'm doing yellow. I'll do yellow for like the giraffe. It's so cute. I had so much fun making this card, and that's why I decided to show you my process. If you hear anything in the background, just know that I have my family watching a movie. So, and it is so it's a little noisy today, but hopefully you don't hear it. So I'm just doing the alligator here with the green, and then I did do a little bit of green for the turtle, and then I think I will be doing maybe the elephant or the giraffe. Okay, the giraffe. So it would have been easier too if you mask it. You can just put some masking tape and or washi tape in, so then you know you don't go outside into the other animal. But I was just being quick, and I think my stencil moved a little bit, but I was able to, you weren't able to see it much. And so I hope you check out the whole release as well. If you shop stencils, use my code vonFan10 to save 10% off your purchase. There is usually a master creator bundle where you can get the whole release at 20% off, and that is the only time that you can't use my coupon code. So, but it's an awesome deal, and usually the releases are amazing, so you can't go wrong. So almost done here. I'm just doing the little birds. I thought these are such cute colors together. And then I did the hearts there. And I'm going to be flicking some gold paint here with my Tomby starry colors here. So even though it's sparkly, it already has like some gold specks in it, so I just made it more sparkly. And it's also, this paper is also textured, so I noticed that as well. So I'm going to be ink blending yellow for the inside. This actually came out a little bit darker than my first card, and I really like it, so I should have did a darker ink blending, but that's okay. Usually when I do two cards, they're not exactly the same, so I don't know if that's you too, but that happens, and that's okay. I like one-of-a-kind cards. And it's homemade, so can't go wrong there again. So I'm just going to be stamping the sentiment in the hippo color from Lawn Fawn, and it's going to just say, "Welcome, sweet baby," inside. So it's such a cute sentiment and neutral for a boy or a girl. So I used that die set from my creative time. It's still one of my favorites, and it might be retired, but I will list it if it's available. So I'm using the Scalloped for my large edge there. This one I actually made, and I'll use the inner one for the inside. But I actually made this one 5 by 5, I believe. The other one is a tiny bit bigger. So I think this 5 by 5 will work better if I send it in a 5 by 7 envelope. So just gluing with my liquid glue for the inside, and then I'm gonna be making a twine. Well, I think it's like Lawn Fawn trimmings. And again, I'm not sure if it's still around, but I'll list it if available. And this time I did yellow, and the first card I think I just did the natural. So, and I didn't add any sequins since I added the bow. So there we go. I'm just going to add that, and I'm not very good at bow making. I used to be better, but I don't know what happened. So I guess I need to practice. And that is it for my card. I hope you enjoyed my card process and the whole release. Thank you for stopping by and subscribing. I truly appreciate it. Have a great day.